Welcome to 4922 Bridgewater Drive in Arlington, Texas. I am standing in front of our newest listing in the estates above Wimbledon. Everybody loves Wimbledon here in Arlington. Such a lovely, fantastic neighborhood. Just look around. Like, it is fantastic. So come on in with me so that I can show you why this should be your next house.
The first thing you'll notice when you walk in are the beautiful hardwood floors that go mostly throughout the entire first floor. Into the study on the front side of the house, you've got a really good space. Could be used for a whole lot of different things other than just a study, playroom, music room, whatever your heart desires. It's a really good, pretty large space actually. And then we go out into the living room, and I'm going to tell you, this main level, this is an entertainer's dream. The way that the living room and the kitchen and the dining room and the second living room all sort of flow together. In this living room, look at these gorgeous built-ins with the brick fireplace. So much character in this era of home. Really feels so cozy and homey. The storage is a bonus, and just really laid out well. In the dining room, I love these light fixtures and the windows looking out to the pool. Yes, you see through the window, that is a beautiful swimming pool out there in the backyard. So as we back up and we look into the second living space, we've got a second fireplace, and then we roll over into the kitchen. Guys, this property, this kitchen is just stunning. The custom cabinetry, the stainless appliances, I love that farm sink, and then the breakfast nook right there. Really, the layout of this is beautiful. The selections are amazing. Love this backsplash. And the wooden vent-a-hood, the glass cabinets at the top. Really, the design choices here are just stunning. Just stunning and so very functional. So often we see beautiful choices made that don't necessarily function well, but this space is so fantastic for both fashion and function. Love the second living area and the way that it is laid out, meeting both the dining room and the kitchen. Follow me now to the master. Again, huge space. Love the wood floors. There's room for a sitting area. Lots of space in here with so much natural light coming in through the back windows. And this master bath, just magnificent. Love the tile floor. Love the mirrors and just all the choices that were made in here. A standalone bathtub. Who doesn't love that with a chandelier? And then, of course, check out the shower. Just fantastic. Really, really well done. Beautiful choices made. The countertops are gorgeous. It's just really a lovely, lovely space. One where you can relax, one where you can escape. Follow me upstairs now. We're going to check out the spare bedrooms that are up here. There are 3 total bedrooms as well as a full bathroom. You've got this space right here, which is the largest room, of course, and obviously this owner is using it as a bunk room. This would make a great playroom if you didn't need the 3rd bedroom upstairs, or a room that needs to be shared by multiple people. Again, the storage. I love the cabinetry that you find sort of hidden in the walls in a house of this age. The bedrooms are all very good size. You've got the separate vanities. It's sort of a Jack and Jill situation, but out to the hallway. The shower in here has been retiled, and it is also just beautiful. Into this vanity that is actually inside of one of the bedrooms. The backyard, I just have no words almost. The pool is lovely, really, really lovely. And the lot, look at the view that you have from this lot. The creek is just gorgeous with all the trees and all the vegetation and all the plants. And really, really just a stunning, stunning backyard. Who wouldn't want to spend their summers out here? I couldn't tell ya. Love this extra shed space.
Thank you so much for joining me on my tour of this amazingly beautiful property. Let me just tell you, I'm sure I've already said it, but one of my favorite things about this house is how big the lot is, y'all. So you've got this beautiful view behind me of the creek, and the lot goes all the way to the creek. So we're dealing with like almost a half, maybe a little bit over a half acre of property. And it's just gorgeous. And the current owner has taken such great care of it. All of the landscaping is absolutely beautiful. Obviously we're the end of February here, but very soon it's going to bloom and be just absolutely breathtaking. So thank you one more time for watching my tour of 4922 Bridgewater in Arlington. I cannot wait for you to see this property in person. Call us so we can show it to you. Thanks so much.